How to send PayPal link for payment. So first, you just have to simply go to any web browser and then type paypal.com, sign up or log in if you have an account. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What we're going to do here is to create our PayPal profile or username so that we can send it directly or easily to someone. Okay, so you just have to go to pay and get paid, tap request money, and then you will see here option, but you have to make sure that you have completed the information that they needed from you. Once done, click this PayPal.me profile. You can add photo or you can click not now. And then here you have to choose your link. So create a memorable link and share it to get paid or share it to someone. So you will see if this one is available or not, because if it's not, then you will see this warning or red sign here. If it's available, then you will see that, or you will see here available. So what you want to do here after that is to click next. Now you can tap this to agree their terms and condition and then click agree and continue. And then it will go back or take you back to this page. But if you go back to your home, it's the same thing. You just have to look for this pay and get paid and then go to request the money. And then there you will see two options. What you want to do is to simply click this share your profile or share your personal profile. Then here you will see this information, but you just have to click this share button here or arrow. And then here you can see the copy link. You can share it to your Facebook or to other social media accounts. And once they receive this link, it will take them directly to this where they can tap send, enter the amount, and then send you a money for payment. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.